Got him.
Wow, that's a big one. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ta-da!
Got the pond going. Check it out, guys. Woo! Starting to get big. So yeah, we've gotten a lot of rain. Pond didn't even let me put the stone in first. So what I gotta do now is get out there and unclog this. Oh cool, a toad. Oh, where are you going, gang? So you need the right tool for the right job. So I got 2 boats here, aka buckets, and a shovel. And see if I can't do this without like having to get into that water. I don't know. It's not the cleanest. And it's kind of cold. Alright, foot boats are a go. This might be hard to do because I gotta lift them, but once I get into water they should be a little more buoyant. And hopefully it doesn't get deeper than this. Or I'm just gonna sink. I got my swimming trunks just in case. But man, it's gonna be chilly if it does. It's only like 60 some degrees out right now. This is not easy with the camera. It's working though. It is working. Staying dry. Oh, here's the hill. The terrain's all messed up because we got this stone in and it tore everything up. But if we're not careful, it can get all the way up into the house. I think I'm at the edge here. Whoa. Oh, I think it may be too deep. We're right at the bucket line. Let's see if I can reach it from here. I don't think I can go down. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to get this drain. This will be cool when I do. If I don't fall in, I don't like this spot. Oh, here we go. Alright, let me get this unclogged real quick. Alright, victory is mine. And you can see how the terrain was where I had to go through with my bucket boat boots. That was tricky. Woo! Victory! Alright, so the pond's gonna be a mission to get done. Before I even do that, I have to do some work up here. And I'm gonna have to see what rock I got left. I figured these bigger ones that are gonna be harder to move, I could probably just throw them in there. I still gotta get some more stone though, since they messed up and didn't give me the right types. I about didn't film this, but figured I should get some before and after. Here's the rough setting of the area I'll be working on. I'm wanting to put a retaining wall here, one right here, have some steps going up here. This is where I got a fire pit. Been doing some trimming, cleaned all the weeds out. Started breaking up the earth. Doing this all by hand because I can't afford the machinery. It'd be really hard to get machinery back here now with all that in the way. So, good old elbow grease will do it though. We're gonna come up here, and this is what it's really all about. Is if you look up from that post, it's almost gonna be all the way up there. I'm gonna level this out to where it's actually level all the way up this hill. So I've got a lot to fill there. Pretty much all that's gonna be filled in. Gonna have a rock retaining wall from here, little step area here, and then all the way back here, which is gonna open. I'm gonna get rid of all this wood. It's gonna open up all this space for summer tubbing, like I got going on the deck over there. And I gotta get those off the deck because it's not good for the deck with the water underneath it. Those boards are probably rotten. They were all rotten before we bought the house though, and needed replaced. A lot of work to be done, but if you want to save that money, you gotta do it yourself, right? But I'm gonna be excited when it gets done. We'll have a little step down there. I'll cut that out, add up a couple boards, boom, be able to walk right down. So it's gonna look a lot different here, hopefully sooner than later. We've been getting a lot of rain. Get an idea how wet it is out here. Squish, 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 squish. But it's good for creating your edge here. Getting the dirt off, getting the dirt off the hill here. So it kind of comes up now. It's gonna be super heavy to move. It's a good time to break it up, at least. I'll move it later. I could actually use this to help fill in. And so we get all that mud in there, you'll get it all flat. I don't quite have it flat yet, same with all that, but I'll get it there. Yeah, this will help fill in this. It'll take a few. Have to get the, oh, I could use that. Perfect. After you're done filling in, you can just use the grass that you're removing to resod it. So I can just take this up with the flatter shovel, put it on top, kind of pat it down a little bit, maybe put a hose on it. That way the dirt and roots reconnect each other. Two birds, one stone. On fish. Nothing in there. It's the only thing I got out right now. That one's empty too. Alright, well, I burnt my daylight and it's raining now, so I got quite a bit. I actually get quite far, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. I just want to get this video out, so